Go.
Alright guys, here we go. Alright, Abu Garcia, this is the Gen Ike EZ Cast. If you guys want to know how easy it is to use it, I haven't used a Baitcaster since I was 18, 19 years old.
It's been a long time.
That's about 20 years. Right in the grass. Wasn't it? Right in the weed. Big one. A little backlash there, not too bad. If y'all were wondering, I have the EZ Cast actually off right now because I haven't figured out how to use it with it on. I don't think anything like this.
I had a bite on our first cast one time goes over there. Oh yeah, there's like spots.
Did you just, yep, that's gone. All right, round two. There's a whole bunch of fish over there.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if
Yep, that would be our son in the background, making too much noise.
I really thought I'd make a bigger mess of this. Just in there and I don't know what I'm doing.
Something's chasing that fish over there. They're coming right to you, babe.
In the grass again. That's what I do. What I got out of it?
Grassmaster.
See, one thing I noticed with this is like when I turn on the helper thing, I don't really understand how it works. See, that's all I can do with it. With the helper on. So I'm gonna say I'm not doing it right because I have no idea how to use it. And there it tried to cast, but one thing I can tell you, with using it even with it off, the way it runs through those bars keeps a lot of the backlash down anyway, even with it off, even though I haven't figured out how to use it when it's on. I cannot use one of these poles at all. So the fact that you've seen me use it at all says a lot for this.
Ho ho, you did it.
No backlash.
That was good.
I'm telling you now, guys, I don't know how to use one of these poles. But I actually like it. I might actually go get me one now. 'Cause I've always wanted to learn how to use them. I just can't use them. So.
Now you just keep casting like that consistently. Catch a couple fish, you'll be a pro.
Yeah, there you go.
That was a nice one too.
Guys, the only time we cut the video was when I popped the line. I had to re-rig. So every cast you've seen on video is how many casts I have actually done. So, like I said, I haven't used one of these in 20 years, and the reason I quit using it is because I couldn't use it. So, I use spinning rods most all the time, but here you go, guys. Check this out. No backlash. This is the longest I've ever used a rod like this in my life without messing it up.
It is hot today.
Got a good feel to it too. I mean, it's a fairly decent feeling rod. It is hot. What we were saying earlier when we were doing the video on this, just opening it up. This is a one-piece rod. Okay, it doesn't come apart. It's not a two-section rod. One-piece rod, but $44. And you know, for somebody like, well, I can go from experience. For someone that doesn't know how to use one of these poles, to come out here and throw it like that, I'd say this is a good buy, guys. If you're looking for a pole, what the fuck was that?
I don't know, but I didn't cut.
Oh, anyway.
That was weird, right?
Yeah. So if you guys are looking for something like this, you want a pole like this, you want to learn how to use it, this is the best by far that I've found.
Sorry.
Alright guys, if you're wondering what's happening, something just crawled all through the grass right here like a
It sounded like a rat
otter
or something.
And jumped in the water, and it keeps making noise back there.
But like it was moving fast. It wasn't a turtle.
No.
I thought maybe it was like a rat or a bunny or something, but then it jumped in the water.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell?
So, I don't know.
I don't know. But
Okay.
anyway, you guys are looking for a rod, a Baitcaster, something that a beginner can learn how to use. Here it is. Garcia EZ Cast. Like I said, with this off, I haven't been able to really get it to do anything, but I leave it just like this, locked down, and look, no backlash. I'm telling you guys, I suck at using these poles, really. That's why I don't use them. But you know, I think I'm gonna go get me one. So this one's for my son, but I think I'm gonna go get me one because I like it. All right, guys. So that's what we can tell you about it. Give it a try. I got a link in the description on the unboxing video. I'll put another link in there for this. This is a Walmart. I didn't find it anywhere else but Walmart. But I'll put the link down there for Walmart. Go get one, guys. It's perfect. You want to learn how to use this pole. Thanks, guys.
Like and subscribe.
All right, here's Jay, our resident angler, taking a crack at it. This is the Garcia EZ Cast. I said he had another one. Same one. He's wanting to learn how to use one of these. Look at that. This is his second cast. He's been wanting to use one of these because his hero, one rod, one reel, has used some. So, you know, he decided he needed to learn how to use them. That's probably good. It's funny too because he's like, yeah, can you get me one and show me how to use it? And I just laughed because I don't know how to use it. So, like I said, we have not figured out how to use the actual EZ Cast thing. When we turn it on, it flips that thing up, but it won't cast Like it starts the cast, but then it stops.
Wait, I'll flick it on in this next cast.
You don't have to use it because it messes it up this.
I'm stuck in the weeds then.
Good thing that was weedless, right?
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, got you. You want me to get that?
No, I got it.
Doesn't look like you got it.
I don't got it.
If you walk it back over here and I'll get it.
Wait, I have an idea.
It's a bad idea. Yeah, it's the worst idea. It's getting worse. Why don't you come over here?
I just pulled it up a little bit.
Yeah, why don't you bring it over here? Yeah, well, okay, I guess you could do it the hard way. All right.
Dad, you really made this thing weedless.
Yeah, I did. It was working fine. All right.
I got it weedless again.
Yeah. All right, let's show them.
All right, look, I'll flip it on.
Yeah, but don't cast it because it makes a mess.
Yeah, you can see there's the off meter and on meter. Y'all can really see that.
I think they can see it there, yeah.
Look, now it's
supposed to be off right now.
Now
That's
it's
where we've
on.
been using it. Now
Look.
turn it on.
okay. It's on. Now watch this little cast. There's a bat.
Oh, you hang on.
You got it.
All right, go ahead. Well, okay, well, it worked that time. All right, well, the one time we're going to show you it worked, so we don't know. But like we said, we've been leaving it locked. We've been leaving it locked because even with it locked, it cuts down so much of the backlash. It's crazy. I said it makes a person like me who never uses these poles able to use these poles.
The way that I started fishing this thing when I got it is that when I turned it on, it's just the easy way, you know, because it doesn't really create more backlash because this thing flips up. Like, here, flips up. So it helps the line go out. So, it's just the easy way to get cast out there and get good with it. And then when you feel like you're ready, you can turn it off. And then throw it out there.
Like I said, we've been using it. I love this pole. I said I've never been able to use one. I can use it just fine. I like it. So much so that I'm probably going to go get me one.
Yeah.
Especially, I mean, it's $44 for a Baitcaster. I mean, it's $44 for a Baitcaster. Now you add to it that we can actually use this Baitcaster, and it makes it worth even more than that to us. So, like I said, it's no fun fishing if you stay tangled all the time. So this has been a positive one for us. We really like this pole. What do you think, buddy?
Pretty good. Real quick, if y'all haven't used the spinning reel one, you know, just with that other flicking one, it is not like that rod. The little ones are made for no tangles, really. So I would get a spinning rod first just to try it out, learn the basics, get easy cast down, deal with actual tangles, like bad tangles, you know, not tangles when you blast your line like around the rod, like bad tangles. And then when you can get fixing those, and then you could get one of these rods, you know, practice. I would get this one or get one that has the off or on thing just to help you out, because that does help a lot. I was down here and all my casts with that on thing, I had no tangles with all my casts. But yeah, just come out here, like, it would only probably take you 2 days with this rod. Just come down here almost every day and practice for at least 10 casts a day.
And you're not staying freaking backlash the whole time, which is a wonderful thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it, man. I think I'm gonna go get me one. And we got matching poles again. That'll be good stuff. All right, guys. Well, that's all we got for you today. We appreciate you guys watching our videos. If you would, please like and subscribe, because way YouTube does it, the more likes you get, the more people see your videos. The more subscriptions you get, the more people actually see your videos. So anything you can do to help us out, we appreciate it, guys.